Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to tell you about how to enable YouTube background play in your Motorola smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to simply open your YouTube. Click on U button. You can get YouTube Premium like this, and here you can see here I have background play, so you can watch while using other apps or with your screen locked. You can also get ad free, so you can immerse yourself in your favorite videos without interruption. Stream all the musics and download videos also. And you can, if you want to pay this, you can also pay this. And if you want floating window like YouTube and it will play, so you can float the window of YouTube also. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.